गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, वेरी वार्म वेलकम। पमेला गोस्वामी कोकेन मामले में एक खबर आ रही है, एक सरप्राइजिंग एलिमेंट है जो कि मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ। खबर यह है कि पमेला गोस्वामी's लॉयर हैज withdrawn himself from the drug possession case involving the BJP youth leader Shubhadeep Roy. Pamela Goswami's lawyer now claims there was a threat to his family if he had decided against dropping the youth BJP leader's case. ये खबर आ रही है। पमेला गोस्वामी, आप लोगों को पता है, एन ऑफिस होल्डर ऑफ द भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा, was arrested in possession of cocaine this month by the New Alipur police. Officials said 90 grams of cocaine were recovered from her vehicle. A member of the BJP state committee, Rakesh Singh, is also in police custody in connection with the case. Shubhadeep Roy was one of the lawyers who opposed Pamela Goswami's arrest in Alipur District Court. Now he is trying to distance himself from the case. Roy himself claims, ये खबर आ रही है, I can't be biased on behalf of anyone. I want to work for the law impartially, so I am under pressure in various ways. So it is better to withdraw from working in this situation, Shubhadeep Roy told a news agency. Intimidated, family threatened, ये कहना है लॉयर का। Going further, lawyer Shubhadeep Roy alleged that 4 or 5 unidentified youngsters on motorcycles blocked his way as he was returning home on Thursday. They threatened him and said, "You have a happy family. Why are you so interested in this case? Withdraw yourself quickly." Roy claims the miscreants also warned him that harm would come to his family members if he decided not to drop Pamela Goswami's case. ये खबर है। For the past few days, I have noticed that wherever I go, there are a number of unfamiliar, suspicious faces around me. They keep an eye on where I am going, what I am doing, what I am chatting, who is behind it, I don't know, Shubhadeep Roy said. He goes on to add, someone who has a direct or indirect interest in this case does not want to fight the case impartially, so they want to remove me. Lawyer Shubhadeep Roy also said he received a call from a members of a political party on Thursday pressurizing him to drop the case. Roy asserted that even if he drops Pamela Goswami's case, no threats can stop him from practicing law. However, lawyer Shubhadeep Roy has not filed a police complaint in this regard as of yet. When asked about the threats to the lawyer representing her, youth BJP leader Pamela Goswami family refused to comment anything on this matter. तो ये एक बड़ी बात है जिसके चलते लॉयर अब अनसेफ फील कर रहे हैं और इस वजह से केस से विड्रॉ करने की बात कर रहे हैं। तो फिलहाल ये अथॉरिटीज़ को देखना चाहिए, कंसर्न अथॉरिटीज़ को, कि इस पर क्या कार्रवाई हो। हालांकि ये अब मामला सामने आया है, लॉयर ने अपनी बात रख दी है। तो फिलहाल एक खबर पमेला गोस्वामी कोकेन केस में, कुछ और खबरों के साथ फिर जुड़ूंगा। धन्यवाद।